Hey, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna talk about top 5
best rotary tool kits.
Starting at number 5.
Ryobi 1++. Ryobi tools are smartly designed and above average quality. The 18V1 Plus cordless rotary tool fits that description. But it's also one of 2 rotary tools we tried that use a cable drive between the motor and the tool itself, which locks you into a benchtop scenario. That said, the benefit of the flexible cable drive is that the tool itself is small in your hand, more like using a pen. The tool itself is great at the small stuff like buffing, engraving, sanding, and carving up clothes. All the mechanical bits are in another housing that you can attach to the back wall of a workstation. The Ryobi 18V1 Plus batteries power an entire family of tools, so many people may already have a battery and charger they can use for this tool. If not, you'll need to add the cost of those items to the price of the tool itself, and that makes the Ryobi kind of expensive compared to the other choices here. Its quality and design put it above the bargains, though. It's pleasant to use on the light-duty tasks it's best suited for, such as etching, carving or sanding soft wood, or polishing, but it choked on our harder tests of cutting a letter E or circle from 3/8 birch plywood, and it's not meant to be as portable as others we tried.
Coming at number 4.
2305 Rotary. The WEN brand has been around since the 1950s, but has more recently started popping up more with lots of value-priced tools of all kinds. The price of the WEN 2305 is a bargain, especially considering it includes the 80-piece accessory set, flex shaft, and a hard shell case. The tool itself doesn't feel flimsy, but it does feel cheaper than some others in the test. Its 1-amp motor is down on power as well. The WEN 2305 and its included tools are probably fine for lighter jobs, though the assorted attachments don't have the same gloss of quality as the higher-priced kits. Its case is smaller than others, providing less room to grow. But for the price, the savings have to come from somewhere, and this kit is likely to satisfy many buyers' occasional needs.
At number 3.
GOXAWEE Rotary Tool. The GOXAWEE G4007 US has a lot of appeal. It includes a flex shaft and more than 100 pieces for sanding, grinding, cutting, polishing, and more. There's a 3-jaw chuck and cutting shield included, too. The kit even throws in replacement brushes for the electric motor. However, the quality isn't that great. The GOXAWEE doesn't seem like the kind of tool that's going to last many years. The flex shaft is a nice feature to have, but probably won't get much use. The included tools might not have the longest life either, and the case isn't that large or as high quality as the Dremel case. We also had trouble getting the sanding drums to be snug on the mandrel attachments, even though we tightened them quite a bit. On the spec sheet, its 1.3-amp motor is competitive with the best, and its speed control dials between 8,000 to 30,000 RPM. However, it's best considered as a light-duty, occasional use tool.
Number 2 of my list.
Dremel 8220N. Take everything we said about the Dremel 3000 and apply it to this cordless version. It's amazing what you can get 12 volts to do when other cordless tools pack 20 volts or more. Easier carving, etching, or sanding tests were no problem, but the lower voltage provided by the compact battery made us question this tool's ability to stand up to our most challenging cutting tasks, but it rose to meet the challenge. While it may seem pricier than some of the other options, the Dremel 8220N/30H is a comprehensive kit. You get a nice case, the tool itself, a 12V max lithium-ion battery, charger, and selection of accessories. It's useful out of the box, with no hidden additional purchases for battery or charger required, unlike some of the other options we tested. Without a cord, the Dremel 8220 is also exceptionally portable and versatile. And there didn't seem to be a performance penalty for choosing the cordless tool either. You get the same 5,000 to 35,000 RPM speed range as our overall winner, and it feels just as strong with a fully charged battery. The performance holds up under most loads, but you're limited by how long the battery life holds out. That said, additional batteries are available to keep you working. You'll pay more for a cordless rotary tool that can keep up with a corded model, but the Dremel 8220 is a high performer and a good value in kit form.
And number 1.
Dremel 3002. Although the Dremel 3002-28 didn't score on the top of this list, we think it deserves to be called our best overall because it's powerful and very versatile. The Dremel 3002-28 deserves to be called out as best overall because it's powerful and very versatile. It's a smart kit that seems to anticipate your needs and includes the features and accessories you're going to need before you know you need them. And it's all packed into a durable, well-designed case. Included with the Dremel 3002-28s are an assortment of attachments for sanding, grinding, polishing, and cutting. The quality of the product and the accessory kit are both top-notch. Everything has been well thought out, from the way tools are changed, to the design of the tool itself, with a continuously variable speed control that's easy to reach while in use, not to mention the deep universe of accessories and attachments for a lot of versatility. It's sized just right and seems to be designed with input from experienced users. The Dremel 3000 is easy to handle. Its 1.2 amp motor has enough power to do just about any small task like carving, cutting, grinding, or polishing. Matching the attachment to the work will get you the best results. None of these tools were all that happy cutting shapes out of our thick piece of birch plywood using a spiral bit, though the Dremel put in one of the best showings for that test. The motor brushes are replaceable, which will extend the life of the tool, and Dremel stands behind its rotary tool with a 2-year warranty.
Check out this video description for latest price and more informations. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and stay tuned.